Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn this fabulous song known as The Amazing Grace. If you're looking forward to finding a song to perform in your school, to present during the school closing day, or rather in your church, this is the right time. Follow along with me to learn this amazing song, Amazing Grace. So let's get started. If you've watched my previous videos, I've tried to touch on several notes that we play on a Descant recorder. As you can see here, we'll be using these notes. The note number one is B. Note B is played by closing the back hole with the finger hole and the first finger hole. Then the next note, we have note A played by closing the first finger hole and the second finger hole. Then we have note G played by closing first, second, third finger hole. Remember, still the back hole is closed, right? Then we have the next note, which is note E, played by closing the first five finger holes. Okay. Then we have the next note, which is note D, which is a lower D, played by closing the first six finger holes. Remember, the back hole is still closed, right? The last note is note D. Note D, which is also upper D, is played by closing the second finger hole, and this time round the back hole is open, right? As you can see here, it's open. So these are the notes that we're going to use. All right, let's get on to the music. Very first, Amazing Grace. We're going to start with lower D, then G, then A, then G, and proceed. All right, let's go. All right, this is getting better and better, right? So remember to breathe in and hold your breath, release your breath slowly, right? And breathe in between the pauses, right? Make sure you don't exhaust all your breath in one blow, right? Try to slack. Try to slack as you're moving from one note to another note. Try to join those notes in one breath for you to have a smooth and a nice sound, right? All right, let's proceed. Right now, would like to add something to items. Instead of playing, you can now gradually release your fingers. So the first part, you release these three fingers gradually, but do that very fast. This way. So it's try that. Then we proceed to the next part. The three remaining fingers on your left hand. So you do the same. All right. So we will do you see that? That is what we're doing. So you do that very fast. Try that. So I hope you've learned something in this video today. And I know at first it might be difficult to do this, but as you get more comfortable with your finger placement, fingering, it will become easier. And this will be exciting for you, right? I know it's already exciting for you. It was a pleasure having you here today. Remember to subscribe, remember to like and share to your friends. Happy playing, everyone. Bye bye.